Our today's topic is transformer efficiency. Now before discussing the transformer efficiency, let us discuss about the rated capacity of a transformer, which is defined as the product of rated voltage and full load rated current on the output side. So the product of rated voltage and the full load rated current on the output side is V2 into I2. So V2 I2 is the rated capacity of a transformer. Next, the power output. The power output depends upon the power factor of the load. So the power output formula will be V2I2 cos phi, where V2I2 are the rated voltage and the rated current on the output side into cos phi, which is the power factor. Now the efficiency of a transformer is defined as the ratio of useful power output to the input power. So as you can see, the ratio, efficiency is ratio output upon input, where input can be written as output plus losses, and losses can further be written as the summation of iron loss plus copper loss. Now output upon input can further be modified and can be written as 1 minus losses upon input. 1 minus losses, total losses upon input, or in input is equals to output plus losses. Here power output is equals to V2I2 cos phi, and iron loss is hysteresis loss plus eddy current loss. Copper loss is the summation of the primary copper loss and the secondary copper loss. Now determination of transformer efficiency. Iron loss is equals to Pi and copper loss is equals to Pc. Now the copper loss at a load x times full load is equals to x square Pc. Now come to this last line is important, that copper loss at a load x times full load is equals to x square Pc. Now what is x? Here x is the ratio of load current I2 to the full load secondary current. X is the ratio of load current I2 to the full load secondary current. So the transformer efficiency can further be written as x into V2I2 cos phi upon x into V2I2 cos phi plus Pi plus x square Pc. So here x is multiplied with the full load output power upon x into full load output power plus the iron loss plus the square x square of the copper loss. X square is, here we have taken x square because the current is square in the copper loss. Condition for maximum efficiency. The transformer efficiency is given by x V2I2 cos phi upon x V2I2 cos phi plus Pi plus x square Pc. Now we have written V2I2 cos phi equals to P. So the equation modifies into xp upon xp plus Pi plus x square Pc. Now we will differentiate both sides of the efficiency with respect to x, and we will get this relation. Now efficiency will be maximum if the differentiation of efficiency with respect to x is equals to 0. When we equate the above equation with respect to 0, then it comes Pi equals to Pi minus x square Pc, which is equals to 0, or we can write x square Pc equals to Pi. Hence efficiency will be maximum when the variable loss means copper loss, is equals to the constant loss, which is iron loss. Now here you should note that it will be variable loss is equals to the constant loss. It is not constant loss upon is equals to variable loss. It will be variable loss will be always be equals to constant loss. Okay? You will not put Pi equals to x square Pc, but it will be x square Pc equals to Pi. Now output kVA corresponding to maximum efficiency is equals to X into rated kVA. Rated kVA, as you know, V2I2 into X, and here X is equals to under root Pi by Pc.